Hi everybody, this is Janet Wright, and I hope you don't mind my sunglasses. I wanted to be in the sun, this is going to be an energy healing recap video, but probably one of the shortest ones ever. The healing happened today, Sunday, May 27th, 2018. And since it's Sunday, this is the middle healing of the triplet set. As you know, it's a set of 3 healings, Friday, Sunday, Tuesday. And the reason that this will be this, well, I don't know, it's so far the shortest, that I can say. So far, it's the shortest energy healing recap video that I'm making. And the reason is because the angels liked so much the design of, sort of the plan of the Friday healing that they wanted me to use that as a template and follow it for the Sunday healing and most likely the Tuesday healing as well. We'll see, because I watch how the participants are doing and nothing's really set in stone, so the angels are watching, everybody, and so we'll see. But it is, I guess, fairly likely, the angels are saying, that the template that I used for the Friday healings, the techniques, the process, will be the template for the Sunday, well, it was the template for the Sunday healing today, and it will be most likely the template for the Tuesday healing, but we'll see. I'll make another recap after the Tuesday healing so you find out for sure. So basically, I'm just going to refer you back to the Friday videos. If you've already seen them, you can just redo the 2 technique videos, the part 2 and the part 3 video from Friday, May 25th, 2018 are really good technique videos. I think one is something like 20 minutes and one is probably like 25 or 26 minutes, something like that. And the intro video is, really good too. The theme for this set, as you know, is spring cleaning. And the idea of spring cleaning is sort of a more thorough cleaning. Like maybe it's more transformative. It's like a literal cleaning of objects and spaces, but generally it comes with an energy clearing too. Maybe subconscious for people that, don't do this stuff. But anyway, the theme of the set is clearing any energy blocks so that you can do spring cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and also to help you clear your, I'm calling them object baggage, object related baggage, and that's sort of a catch-all. A lot of, well, pretty much everyone has baggage on some level about acquiring, owning, losing, or not having objects, possessions from this life or from past lives, most likely past lives. So like, for example, people who overshop, who have, shopping compulsions, or people who, they just get phobic about a purchase. It comes in all sorts of forms. But anyway, so this triplet set is to help people clear all that to a point where you can actually see actual results. You become more organized, or you actually clean something you totally would not have done otherwise, or or maybe you just become less bothered by someone else who's not cleaning. It can, because you losing your baggage affects your perception and your actions of yourself and others. And for one participant who said, well, I really like the healing, it really helps me to feel better, but it hasn't yet helped me to clean or organize. What I would say is give it some time, because it depends on the person. If you're already ready on one level to clean and organize, but not, like, for example, astrally, maybe you've worked through the energy with your angels already, but you weren't ready on the physical level, then this healing, even just 2 of them would be enough, or even just 1 of them, maybe the Friday healing could have been enough to kick you into, a good space to really actually do things and get things done. Whereas some people maybe who were more blocked, maybe the healings free them up on the astral level, but then they need to prepare a little more with their angels in order to bring it in on the physical level and actually start doing the organizing. So if you wonder, you can, about your case in particular, I mean, I would say go through all 3 healings first, and then just give it a couple days, don't you know, micromanage it. I think it's kind of fun, you know, when you clear this kind of baggage and then, you know, maybe like a week later you just find yourself cleaning something and you're like, wait a minute, I never cleaned that. You know, you find yourself organizing something that you never would have done, you know. So I would say wait and see first. It's kind of fun that way, because then you surprise yourself and you're like, oh wow. Okay, so like I said, there's not much to explain because the videos are the same as would be the same as Friday, so you just use the Friday videos. There's a part 2 one, as you already know, which helps you clear past life baggage around the theme, you know, of spring cleaning, decluttering, organizing, and all the object baggage, because most people's baggage was from past lives. Whether or not they knew that, obviously they probably didn't realize that. And then the second video is a combo of two, the second technique video, which is technically part 3 from Friday, is a combo of 2 things: clearing expectations and then clearing problem exhaustion, which is a new term. It just means you can get kind of paralyzed by just having a lot of internal baggage about what you need to get done, and it's real easy to clear. So anyway, today's healing was 28 minutes long, so it was actually 3 minutes longer than the Friday healing. I just, you know, really took my time. It was nice because I didn't have to redesign the healing, and so I just worked on more prep of myself instead. And then during the healing, I already knew where we were headed, you know, very well, because I'd already done it on Friday. So I was able to just focus more on where people are at individually and as a group. And it was, so again, it was a really nice, thorough healing. And, you know, that extra video that's older was also, of course, a key part of today's healing, because as I said, I followed the exact same format. So the first 10 minutes of the Sunday healing today and also the Friday healing was it's the walkthrough is this older video, which I did put in the playlist for this set. It has bottle brush in the title, 7 chakras in the title, or all chakras, and DGS for Divine Gold Sandstorm. But anyway, that video is in the playlist, so you'll see it. So that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to, and thank you for your surveys. I am particularly, well, there's always some reason that I'm particularly interested in surveys, but for this set, well, it's fascinating, you know, because it's a totally different kind of a thing. This, you know, helping people to declutter and organize and, you know, clear their object baggage. But also I'm interested because of this template idea, how I didn't design a whole new healing today. I just did the, you know, I used the Friday template again. And so I'm very interested because, I suspect, since the angels told me to do it, it's going to be uniquely beneficial to people, but I always like to have that verified, you know, by your survey feedback. So thanks in advance for your surveys. So what I'm going to do is just close out this with a couple nature photos that I took around our home. You know, we rent this house here in the Pacific Northwest, and it's really pretty. There are these big giant rhododendron flowers that are just, they're in bunches, and so they're just giant. So I want to share some of those with you, so I'll be putting those photos into the end of this video. Okay, well, thank you so much, and I hope you're enjoying the healing and as the videos too. Okay, bye.